Introducing my niece, nephew, little sisters, dancing to Michael Jackson. Let's go.
Hey y'all. Hey. My name's Jade. Okay,
Alright, now move.
Bye. What is up? My name is Joel Heller. My name is DJ. The super cool me.
And what's your name?
My name is Mia, the awesome one. Oh yeah. Michael Jackson style. Michael Janet Jackson.
Alright, now let's see Beat It.
Wait, I'm gonna beat it. I'm gonna beat it. No, that's just messing it up. No, Auntie J. Anyway,
Go ahead.
Cut the video off. Don't send it. No, Auntie J.
No, be quiet. Alright, go do it a cappella. Do it without the song. Go ahead. Come on. Come on, finish.
You missed it. You messed up. It's yours. Start the video over.
Alright, now let's do it to the video. Dance to the video now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Doing up. Play. Alright. Oh God. Okay. 1, 2, 3. It's coming. Don't go down here. So you can.
Come on.
And ready, set. Oh my God! You I want to see the video too.
Should just put the song on, monkey.